What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Samsung S21 FE 5G. So let's begin with the video. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links down below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So in this video we will go over 4 main points, the first one being an unboxing of the phone, which is going to be then followed by the specs of the phone, prices, the top features, and to finish off if you should buy this new phone. So let's start. So we have the phone right here, the Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Let's open this box up, but before, take a look at the details that are in the back of the box. But now let's take this off and we're gonna have the phone right here. We can take this out so we can take a look at the color, and it's very sturdy and nice material with a nice finish. Let's open this up. And this is how the phone is going to look like. It looks like a nice material, very soft. We have the cameras and the flash. I think overall it's a really nice phone. So now let's take a look at this little box right here. And here we have the tool that ejects the SIM card out of the phone. So that's really good. And now let's see what's inside the box. So as soon as I open up the box right here, I see that we have a charger, the regular USB Type-C cable, and then let's check back. We're also going to have a quick start guide. So that is pretty much it. That's in all of these boxes. Now let's talk about the specs. The Samsung S21 FE is built with glass front of Gorilla Glass Victus, a plastic back, and aluminum frame. It can be used with single SIM or dual SIM, and it's IP68 dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It has a dynamic AMOLED 2X with 120Hz refresh rate display, a resolution of 1080x2400 with a 20:9 ratio and 411 ppi. It also comes with a chipset Qualcomm SM83550 Snapdragon 888 5G. The memory can come with either 128 gigs with 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs with 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs with 8 gigs of RAM. The main camera has a wide 12 megapixel lens. It has a telephoto with 8 megapixel lens and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens recording videos at 4K with 60 or 30 frames per second, a 1080p at 240 or 60 or 30 frames per second, and a 720p at 960 frames per second. The selfie camera has a 32 megapixel with a 26mm wide lens recording videos of 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second and 1080p at 30 and 60 frames per second. It also has a lithium-ion 4500 max non-removable battery with capabilities of fast charging with 25 watts, fast wireless charging with 15 watts, and also reverse wireless charging. And the colors can be either olive, graphite, lavender, or white. The price of this phone depends on the memory capacity, and we have the 128 gigs at $324.99 and the 256 gigs at $395.99. Now let's talk about its top features. First of all, it's going to cost $100 less than the Galaxy S21, which to me is a very good price. The features are the same Snapdragon 888 chipset as the Galaxy S21 for comparable performance. The 8 megapixel telephoto lens isn't as sharp as the 64 megapixel lens that the S21 offers. The 120Hz refresh rate, but you manually adjust that, and then you're going to have the 4500 mAh battery, which is the same size as the one in the Galaxy S20 FE, while the screen shrinks slightly because it's basically 6.4 inches versus 6.5 inches. And as on the Galaxy S21, the battery life takes a significant hit with the 120Hz refresh rate enabled. And lavender is the best color option among graphite, white, and olive models in my honest opinion. So in conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is pretty much everything you would expect it to be. It takes most of the important features from the Galaxy S21 models and presents them in a slightly reformed and cheaper form. It would have made a lot more sense if the Fan Edition had launched in September 2021, though it is unavoidable that you can probably pick up the slightly smaller Galaxy S21 for around the same price. With the Galaxy S22 launch just around the corner set for February of 2022, some may wish to wait and see what else Samsung has in store instead. But for those looking for a Samsung phone right now, the Galaxy S21 FE still hits most of the experience points they will want, irrelevant of the badly timed release and inevitable and extensive competition. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.